Tiny, what are you doing? She just leaving the box. Okay. Hi. Oh my goodness. I feel like I haven't like filmed this sit down like video in a really long time. Or a talking video. But today I have like an unboxing kind of thing. Which is really more for me, like no one really cares. But I got these new shoes that I really want to show them. So, that's what I'm going to do today. But first, I want to talk about the fact that a good, I don't know how much percentage, hold on, let me check. A good 69% of you people who watch my videos are not subscribed. Why? It takes 5 seconds to just subscribe. Not even, like 2 seconds. You have to just click it. Not even 1 second. Barely a second. Just, that's it. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't harm you. It helps me. And if you watch my videos, you want to help me, I'd love you to subscribe. It'd be great. You know? Maybe even follow me on Instagram. If you want to see more stuff, I post on my story like every day. Literally. So, you know, help me out a little bit. Subscribe. Follow me. All the stuff. All the stuff. Anyway, I have these shoes that I got, and they are the Air Jordan Mids. Air Jordan 1 Mid. It's the Brushstroke ones. Brushstroke Splatter paint. I'll put the picture up, like here. I needed them. I didn't need them, but I wanted them very, very badly because they match my personality so well. So I needed them. I'm an artist. You've seen me paint. And if you haven't, you should. Go watch me paint. Anyway, yeah, so I got them. And I'm gonna see how I can style these things, which is another thing, right? I know I do a lot of things on my channel, and I know most YouTubers have like a thing, have like one thing that they do. And I know like I paint, I cook, I vlog, I review, I know, but listen, I'm just trying to figure out my thing. And now my next thing is gonna be fashion. You're gonna watch it, alright? So we're gonna unbox these things. Let's open them with these. Ooh. Another thing, right? I had to order these to my job. And if you didn't know, I work at a shoe store. So I had to order shoes to my job because we don't sell them, right? I think that's pretty ironic. I'm so excited. First of all, they packed it. Either they, no, they didn't pack it upside down. I opened it upside down. Anyway. Okay. In a size 5.5 in kids because I'm a child. Right, ready? You're gonna see them first. You're gonna see them first. Okay. You're probably not seeing that it's paper. It is paper. Okay. Goat verified. I did get them off of Goat. Yeah. Goat verified. Right. So cool. First of all, my good paper. See them? You see them? You don't see them. Oh my god, I keep them. They're so cool. Ooh, I like them. Oh my god, they're banging. Oh, they're so awesome. Oh my god. What I like about it is like this is canvas. The swoosh is like, I love that. Oh my god. I can't tell if this is like, I'm pretty sure it's like a brown. I was hoping it was like a brown. Yeah, it's like a brown. Oh, thank god. I need brown shoes. It's like a brown. I thought like it was either gonna be like, you know, this color or like a blush. But I'm I'm happy. It's like a darker brown color. I can't wait to style these. Oh my goodness, they're so... I love it. Love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Now I do have to try them on though, because it said that I'm a 7 woman, so the 5.5 should be my size. And kids, fun fact though, I got this on the day they dropped too, and it was like a good price because, you know, whatever. I got them like pretty fast, pretty good price. I mean, not cheap, but pretty good price. Wait, let me unlace them a little more. I gotta unlace them a little more. They're new. Oh my god, I'm dying right now. Oh, I think they fit. They fit really good, actually. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. They fit so good. Look at these. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. They fit so good. I'm so happy right now. Oh my goodness. Alright. Now, the styling part is going to be a little difficult. I mean, I like fashion, and I consider myself, well, I don't consider myself a stylist, but like, I consider myself to have at least somewhat of a good style, you know? My friends always tell me that I have good style, so maybe, unless they're lying, but I doubt they are. So I feel like I can style these real good. I just like them so much because they match with the personality. I'm an artist, they have these splatter paint, you know, but they're not like so like crazy, like I don't know, they look so, and I'm usually not into stuff like this, but I was like these, I really like the vibe of it, man. I love it, I love it. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Alright, how to style these things? So I'm thinking maybe something like, or maybe even like, oh, but something that would be cute would be like, I don't know, I'll figure it out, but I'm in love. I'm in love. If you have any ideas on what I can do with these, drop it in the comments. If you have, I don't know, anything, I can't, I'm so happy right now. I'm so happy. I can't wait to style these things. Alright, I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Like, subscribe if you're new here. I do a lot of different videos. Check out my channel. I do exploring videos. Which I'm thinking of bringing back. If you want me to bring that back, comment below. Fashion now. I'm gonna try it out a little bit. Let me know how you think of it. Yeah, painting videos, which a painting video just came out last week of a Queen painting. If you like Queen, definitely check it out. Let me know how I did on that. Yeah, like, subscribe, and I have to go get Bruno. Bye!